Istana what? Istana Park. Yeah.
Our journey begins at Istana Park, located near Singapore's famous Orchard Road. Did you know that Istana means palace in Malay? This park sits just across from the official residence of the President of Singapore, the Istana, which is a significant landmark with a rich history. While walking through the park, you will notice a diverse array of tropical plants and flowers. Singapore's climate allows for a lush, year-round bloom. In fact, the park's design emphasizes native plant species, showcasing Singapore's commitment to biodiversity. One of the standout features of Istana Park is the Festival Arch. This 26-meter high structure symbolizes the multicultural heritage of Singapore. The arch is illuminated during national celebrations, adding a festive touch to the park. The park offers many paths and benches, perfect for relaxing strolls. Fun fact: Istana Park was officially opened in 1996, and it was part of Singapore's urban redevelopment plan to create more green spaces within the city. Next, we head to Dhoby Ghaut, an area steeped in history. The name Dhoby Ghaut comes from the Hindi word dhobi, meaning washerman. In the 19th century, this area was a laundry basin where Indian washermen known as dhobis washed clothes. Dhoby Ghaut Green is a modern park that contrasts its historical roots. Did you know it is one of the few parks in Singapore designed to be barrier-free, making it fully accessible to people with disabilities? It is a great place for families and friends to gather and relax. Throughout Dhoby Ghaut Green, you will find various sculptures and art installations, These pieces are part of Singapore's Public Art Trust initiative, which aims to integrate art into everyday urban spaces, enhancing the cultural experience for everyone. As our exploration of Istana Park and Dhoby Ghaut draws to a close, we are reminded of the rich history and cultural significances that these green spaces hold. They are more than just parks. They are living stories of Singapore's past and present. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating tour. I'm heading home now, but be sure to stay tuned for our next video where we will be diving into Singapore's public transportation system. We'll explore the MRT, buses and more. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and do not forget to subscribe for more amazing travel content. Visit our website for more travel guides and tips. Until next time, keep on exploring.